Batangas BTS, Batangas BTS. This is MB Precision, MB Precision. Call sign 3, Foxtrot, Echo, Delta, 3, over. MB Precision, this is Batangas BTS. Switch to channel 1-2, over. Switching to channel 1-2. MB Precision, out. Batangas BTS, Batangas BTS. This is MB Precision. Call sign 3, Foxtrot, Echo, Delta, 3. Good morning. Requesting permission to enter the port, over. MB Precision. This is Batangas BTS. Good morning. Please provide the following details. What is your ETA, over? ETA 0800 hours. Local time 30 October 2023. Over. Roger. What is your drop, over? My drop is 12.3 meters, over. Roger. How many persons are on board, over? Persons on board 3-4, over. Roger. What is your gross tonnage, over? Gross tonnage 23,210 metric tons, over. Roger. What type of cargo are you carrying, over? Cargo on board is 12304 metric tons of iron ore, over. Roger. Do you have any dangerous cargo on board, over? Affirmative. We have 2.5 liters of IMDG Class 3 dangerous cargo on board, over. Roger. Confirm your port of destination, over. Port of destination is Batangas Port Terminal, over. MB Precision. Your entry is approved. Proceed to anchorage area and stand by for pilot instructions. Report when anchored, over. Roger, Batangas BTS. Proceeding to anchorage area and will report when anchored. MB Precision, out.